We're excited to show you a new project in Seagate. We did a kitchen and 2 bathrooms. For the kitchen, we had to use some of the existing parameters within the space and work around those while elevating the design and the style. So I think taking it from what's expected, white cabinets with raised panels, glass mosaic backsplash, we kind of elevated the design into a more modern and contemporary look that the client was looking for with some gray tones, tone on tone. We did concrete look cabinets where we did dark gray on the lowers and some of the tall cabinets, and then a white look concrete on the uppers. To bring in some of the elements of the area that he's at, we brought in a blue glass tile for the backsplash. And in order to also keep it from feeling too cold, we introduced some wood elements to kind of warm the space out. So you'll see some wood floating shelves and then a little wood countertop area over a wine cooler, which doubles sort of as a charcuterie board. So when entertaining and things like that, you have a cool little kind of accent space to entertain with. For the guest bathroom, we wanted to continue some of the same color palette. Again, with the gray tones. In the shower area, we used a large format tile to kind of keep that modern feel. And then in an accent stripe in the shower, we used a nice glass blue tile, different from the kitchen, but one that kind of had a really nice pop, and it was something that the client really loved. For the master, being a little bit bigger space, the existing situation was that there was a tub that we were converting to a shower. In this case, we made the shower a nice kind of large walk-in linear drain. We did a wall-to-wall niche in the back to kind of add that contemporary feel. And then we continued that tone on tone with the gray wall tiles, but we used 2 different colors. So on the side walls, we used a darker gray version of the floor tile. And then the floor tile in the accent wall, if you will, where the niche is, was the lighter gray tone that continued also on the floor into the bedroom. At the vanity, we used a glass accent tile there as well to kind of, again, bring in a little bit of color and kind of give it a cool look. We really like the way that this space turned out. It's got a great modern feel. It's a really cool example of how you can do tone on tone with add just a small pop of color just to give it some interest. We hope that you love it as much as we do.